Hi, welcome back to Tapping with Kelly. Today has been heavily requested, and it's going to be tapping for heartache. We're going to use EFT to help you pick up the pieces and heal. So heartache is real, and the toll it takes on our body is staggering. From the death hormone cortisol flooding our bodies, loss of appetite, to trouble sleeping, which further exasperates anxiety and depression, heartache is a real bitch and it's hard to shake. I'm not here to tell you today to move on or get over him or her. Instead, I'm going to help you heal with EFT. Oh, really, Kelly? You're probably saying you're going to quickly relieve me of the fathoms deep pain I'm feeling. Yes, I am with tapping. And I'm going to use what's referred to as exposure and cognitive therapy in psychology. We are going to rewire your brain, which is what tapping does, EFT. And it's a cognitive restructuring, if you will. And just boiled down, I'm going to have you focus on the negative feelings that you are feeling right now, the feelings that are haunting you, that you can't shake. And they're blocking your energy. So while I'm having you focus on these negative emotions, I'm gonna have you tap on various acupoints on your body. During this process, actual stress is going to be released and you're going to feel calm. Another way of putting it, the tapping is going to nullify the negative feelings in your brain, body, and it's going to replace them with positive ones. And that's the restructuring. You're going to replace the negative feelings with positive feelings that you associated with this horrific heartbreak. And I can't stress the following enough while tapping. If you would like, just yell at the person who broke your heart. Tell them everything you wish you could have said and more. Pepper them with expletives. I know this might sound weird, but it actually, everything I just said works wondrously. And while I'm going to be using the generic pronoun him, feel free to substitute him, her, and actually even use their name. So without further ado, let's honestly dive right into this and slay the heartache. So as always, we're going to start at the side of the hand. You can either do it like I do, or you can do it like this. And repeat after me. Even though my heart hurts, and I miss him so much, I forgive myself. Even though I can't sleep, I can't eat, I can't even think straight. All I think about is him. But I deeply and completely love and forgive myself. Even though I don't know how I can go on without him, I can't picture my life without him. And I feel this emptiness inside. I choose to completely forgive myself for feeling this way. Okay, eyebrow, this heartache, side of the eye, this emptiness and profound sadness. Under the eye, I have no energy, no desire to do anything. All I want to do is sleep. Under the nose, how can I possibly move on when I still love him? Chin, I can't just let go of my feelings. Collarbone, I feel like I'm in a nightmare and I just want to wake up already. Under the arm, why did this happen to me? I just feel so shocked. Okay, I want you to tap your wrists together. This profound sadness. And now I want you just to follow my lead. I want you to tap on your thumb, the end where the skin meets the nail. I want you to tap there with your 2 fingers. all this sadness and heartache. And on your index finger, I want you to do the same. So tap where? Right here. All this sadness and heartache. Middle finger. All this profound sadness and heartache. And the little finger, we're skipping the ring finger. This profound sadness and heartache. And right between the ring finger and the pinky, find this divot, be a little tender and tap there. This profound sadness and heartache. And I want you to continue tapping there and just follow the commands that I'm going to be saying. Now, keeping your head steady, I want you to close your eyes. And now open your eyes. And I want you to look down hard right. And then look down hard left. And I want you to look at me. Now, picture a big clock in front of you. Huge clock. Keeping your head steady and you're still tapping. I want you to look at the number 12 position. So look up. Keep your head steady. Now I want you to look at number 1. I want you to look at number 2, 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I want you to hold your eyes there, strain, 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 and then 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12 o'clock. Now I want you to hum happy birthday. Let's do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then hum again. I know it seems strange, but it works. Now, top of the head. Okay, all this shock and sadness. And now we're going to go to round 2, eyebrow. All this shock and sadness. Side of the eye. I can't believe I'm single and that we've broken up. I won't ever be talking to him again or seeing him, at least not like we were. I just can't imagine my life like that. Under the eye. I am in stunned disbelief that I am in this position, that we broke up, that he's no longer in my life. How can I move on? Under the nose. I have no interest in anything. My attention span is non-existent. Chin. I am just so freaking tired. And I can't stop thinking about where things went wrong. I can't stop obsessing about it. Could all of this have been avoided? Did I do something wrong? Collarbone. I feel as if everything is unresolved and I'll never get answers. How in the hell am I to move on without getting answers? Under the arm. And I'm sick of hearing how I should move on. I am sick of it. To just get over him. That it's for the best. Okay, I want you to go to your wrists. Hearing all that makes me angry. What if I don't want to move on? And how can I get over someone I love? Easier said than done. Top of the head. This anger and sadness and frustration. Okay, round 3, eyebrow. Get over him and move on, they say. Side of the eye. Then again, is he giving up his life for me? Is he obsessing over me? What if he's moved on? What if I'm the only one sitting here crying and thinking about him nonstop? Under the eye. What if he's out there living his life? What if he's put the breakup behind him and it's just me who's struggling? It's just me who's obsessing about him and what went wrong and crying myself to sleep. Under the nose. I don't want to feel powerless, but that's what it feels like. This heartache and sadness that are keeping me down. And I've given up my power to those feelings. And even him. Chin. I forgive myself for feeling sad, but I love him. But what if I allow myself to feel sad, but not give into it, not let it take my power? What if I allow myself to begin the healing process? I don't want to be crying all the time. I don't want to feel this emptiness. Collarbone. What if I stop giving these feelings energy? What if I acknowledge them and then let them go? What if I forgive myself for not having any desire to do anything? Under the arm. I want to take back my power. I don't want to feel this way. I don't want to feel all this sadness. I want to heal. Wrists. I want to pick up the pieces and move on. Top of the head. I want to heal from this breakup. I want to heal my broken heart. Okay. Round 4. Eyebrow. I choose to release these feelings of sadness. Side of the eye. I choose to take back my power and release the frustration and anger that this happened to me in the first place, that I was broken up with. Under the eye. I choose to know that the universe, God, whatever you believe in has my back, that everything is going to be fine. God has my back. The universe has my back. Under the nose, I am going to be fine. I choose to release the sadness and replace it with peace. Chin. I choose to fill my body and every cell in my body with peace and tranquility. Collarbone. I'm going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine. This too shall pass. I am beautiful and strong. Under the arm. I take back my power and I take back my strength. Wrists. I release all the sadness and the ache in my heart. Top of the head. I am powerful. I am beautiful. And I am strong. And I know that everything is going to be fine. I am going to be fine. I want you to take in a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, you got this. Now take care.